Elevate your photos from ordinary to extraordinary by adding a beautiful border in Photoshop. First, open the photo you'd like to frame in Adobe Photoshop. You'll want to go to the Layers panel, which is usually found on the right side of your screen. If your photo is on the background layer, we need to prepare for our border. Right-click on your photo layer and select Duplicate Layer. This gives us a safe copy. Now, click on the original photo layer. Next, select the crop tool from the toolbar. It looks like two overlapping corners. We're going to use this to make space for our border. With the crop tool selected, hover your mouse over the edges of your photo. You'll see little handles. Carefully drag these handles outwards, creating a new blank area around your image. Don't worry about exact measurements yet. We can refine it. Once you're happy with the amount of space you've created, press Enter on your keyboard. This will commit the crop and reveal the new blank canvas around your photo. Now, to create the border, we need to fill this blank space. Go to the Edit menu at the top and select Fill in the Fill dialog box. Choose white from the Contents drop-down menu, and then click OK. Great! You now have a clean white border around your photo. But what if you want a different color or thickness? Make sure your photo layer is still selected. Go back to the Edit menu and choose Stroke. This is where the magic happens. In the Stroke dialog box, you can adjust the width to make your border thicker or thinner. Click on the color swatch to pick any color you desire from the color picker. For the location, choose Inside. This ensures the border stays perfectly aligned with your original photo without extending beyond. Experiment with these settings until you achieve the perfect look. Once you've chosen your width and color, click OK. And there you have it. A beautifully framed photograph with a custom border, ready to impress. Whether it's for a portfolio, social media, or just a personal touch, adding a border can significantly enhance your image's presentation. Remember, you can always refine the border by reselecting the stroke option, or even creating multiple borders by duplicating your photo layer and applying different strokes. Mastering these simple steps will add a professional polish to all your photographic creations in Photoshop.